But there's still so much of it left. You guys can see that the color on my roots and the color on the strands are totally different. Nevertheless, let's keep this for some time and see how the color changes. Also, if it doesn't change, then I'm definitely going to get this color. This color is called Light Silver Brown. So this is how it looks after blow drying it. Still orange on the roots.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Shake, Sonora.
Huh?
So guys, as you can see that the color turned my hair into blue, which clearly wasn't supposed to happen. So now I'm gonna have to buy new dyes. Oh my god, after searching through like 10 stores. Can you guys see how my hair turned blue after using this dye? This was the color that was supposed to come. Okay, and it turned blue. Turned my hair blue. This color, which is the Light Ash Mocha Brown, and if this doesn't help, then I don't know what will. So if you guys want to see how I'm mixing this, I'm done with dyeing my hair, and this is how I look like. Here's how I look like.